Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, San Clemente, California. OnlyWoodFloors. Hey, we didn't do a video here yesterday. We just sanding, getting it ready. We prepped it. We did the denatured alcohol water, popped the grain last night, got it ready. So this morning we could come in to start mixing up all the stain. We're doing a white stain. And remember from that earlier video, this is that white oak floor, but it had been fumed, it smoked. Remember in the video I talked about how they get it so dark. We're trying to go lighter, so we're going to stain it white, which with this deep dark brown ends up making it like a light gray. So let's see. Thanks, Emilio. Woohoo! Got the shoes, the walking. Thoroughly been sanded and prepped and ready for the stain. And it's crazy, just so the white oak floor, remember that one we just did in Laguna Beach last week, would look like that sample. So that's what the natural is. But since it's been fumed and smoked and gassed, which, I mean, it's still really pretty. So we're doing this white stain. And there it is. It's going to end up being grayish like that. And what we're going to do, ooh, look at that, that is pretty. What we're going to end up doing is, instead of doing a clear finish over the top, we're going to use that little bit invisible with a white tint to help keep it gray.
Y si puedes también no te pases para allá, no te pases para allá, la luna no te pases mucho.
All right, I'm trying to do one more video with the finish on it.